I don't know, dear, just how far we'll go, but I hope here is where I lay low. Trade those
Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita. Welcome to this channel. But for today's video, I'm not a person that does this a lot, so bear with me. This is a fall video, and this is basically everything that I found on the last month or two that I think are like must-haves, so I can show you. Also, we'll try to link everything down below. And why am I doing this right now, and especially if I don't do this a lot, is because I actually am very proud with the things that I bought, and I just want to share with you because they're great finds actually and have great prices. Might help someone, so you gotta do what you gotta do. So I bought these Adidas simple ones. I think these are very like trending and also like a must-have whenever it comes to Adidas. But I love them so much. The color is like this light gray and I love it. Has the stripes, of course, and has just here like a lace so you can tie it. Especially for me now that I'm working from home, this is a must-have. Are just part of my routine now, so highly recommend. They're a little bit pricey, but this one will last and the comfort is like worth it. I bought this little cute top that just has this thing here. You've probably seen all over my Instagram because I love it so much. I love the color. I want more of these, but I can't find, so if you do find, please link them down below. So highly recommend this. I don't know how much I paid for this. I'll try to find the price, but whatever price I pay, totally worth it because I use this a lot. And when I say a lot, I say a lot because I actually just love these tops so much and highly recommend. So from H&M I bought these precision sponge. Then from H&M I just bought this precision sponge. This is actually a must-have because whenever I am doing eyeliners and then thank you, Lisbon. And then you want to put concealer underneath. I was just having a lot of troubles to apply it with my regular beauty blender or with my finger because it wouldn't go like with, you know, that much of precision. And so I thought this was just a great purchase. Moving on to Stradivarius. Before showing you, I wanted this dress or like similar dress for so long, but all I could find was on Brandy Melville and it was very expensive. And honestly, I like Brandy Melville, but the prices not okay. So I found these on Stradivarius and I love it so much. It's like kind of this army green and I love it. It has these kind of like thin stripes and then on the chest it just hangs a little bit on the cleavage, so I really like it. It's not too short or too long, it's just a perfect length, so very excited to just mix and match with this one as well. Then I wanted this for so long and I've spent the summer looking for this, but just recently, like 1 month or two ago, I found these shorts, high-waisted shorts, like kind of mom vibes, you know. And I love this one so much because it has just these bottoms here and I think they just fit very nicely, and for like fall vibes and everything you can just easily pair this with your boots and some kind of cardigans or sweaters, so I really love it. Highly recommend. I absolutely needed ones because my older ones that I bought probably like 3 years ago were just all ripped like everywhere. I don't know what happened, but this year my shorts just ripped everywhere. Like, then the last item from the store is just this shirt. I absolutely love it because it has just such a nice cut. I don't know, it just fits perfectly and I needed one for like professional, you know. So yeah, I love it so much. I used to just use my mom's shirt, so right now I have my own. Then from Primark, this was my last item I bought like yesterday. Yeah, yesterday I went to Primark and I got a lot of things. So first of all, wipes. I always get these ones from Primark and I absolutely love them. They were just like this pack of 3 and they were €1.50, so I absolutely love them. Usually I just put one on my car and then I have these for like take my makeup out or anything that I needed, so highly recommend these ones. Then I got these boots. I'm so in love with them. They were kind of expensive from Primark, but totally worth it. So I love these boots so much, you have no idea. So like 3 years ago probably, I was walking into story time, by the way. I was walking to my university and my boots, they were just kind of like this, but from Seaside, not Primark. They just like this part just came off like here. It was funny to just deal with it for the rest of the day and kind of trying to get home. Since then I was looking for like boots with this type of material and also this color, and I couldn't find it anywhere, and kind of like this format because they were just so similar. Couldn't find it, so yesterday I did. I fell in love and now I love it. And the last thing I bought from Primark were so this just has this turtleneck thing. I love the color. I'm so in love with these neutral colors because they're very trendy. They just creams fall everywhere and I love it so much. And you can just easily pair this with just jeans, skirts, whatever, because it's neutral, so it just matches with everything that you want. Actually, kind of not everything, you know, chill, but almost everything. So then moving on to Pull & Bear. This is where I have like every single thing. I love these stores so much. They should sponsor me. You know? So the first thing that I bought like within this whole mess, because this was just not a one-time purchase, this was like a lot of purchase from the same store. So it was just this sweatshirt. I loved it so much. It is a very comfortable. I've been using all summer and will continue. It has such a nice material. Highly recommend their sweatshirts. They're amazing, honestly, and neon color, it's amazing and just makes me tanner, so we are all about that. And I also bought this dress from an outlet of this store. This is just a very basic black dress, but I think it looks so good. I'll make some adjustments and it will be just fine. I'm also looking forward to use this on this fall, so yeah, because you can easily pair with some basic, even these like turtleneck thing, you can easily pair this with anything. It will just look good, so highly recommend this buy. And it was actually very cheap for what it actually is. It was only €9, I think. Then to have a more professional look as well, I bought this turtleneck t-shirt because, you know, sometimes it's just too hot to have a sweatshirt and you can just put a coat or a jacket or whatever. So highly recommend this one. It's very comfortable. I use it on my presentation, the last presentation of university, because I think it's just super formal and you can just easily pair with anything you want. So very happy with this one. Then I bought, on the same vibe, trying to look more professional, I bought this t-shirt. This is just a very neutral t-shirt, but I think it can be very formal and informal at the same time. So I like those pieces that you can just turn easily into whatever purpose you want. So I highly recommend these t-shirts because they are so comfortable and you can just easily pair with anything. I feel like this haul is just an easily pair with anything kind of haul. I bought these two bodies, basically this one on this color that I love so much, and then this more neutral one that I love so much as well. And let me tell you guys, these two are kind of lifesavers because these just can be paired with anything like jeans, whatever, and you can make it professional by using just like a blazer or something. They are so comfortable. I also bought this skirt that I'm so excited because I've seen this skirt all over Pinterest, all over YouTube, all over Instagram, and I was like, I want to get that. But then I searched and it was from Brandy Melville and I was like, I'm not willing to pay that much. So, you know, I didn't pay that much. And I went to look for relatable items, like different solutions. So I bought this skirt and I really love it. And yeah, I haven't tried it on actually. So let's see what editing Tita says about this skirt.
So I need to change it.
Nice. So I love it so much because it has this just squared pattern that I love, and it's not like stretchy, so I don't feel like you should just buy it and try it on first, but I didn't. And the last item I bought from this store is just this perfect sweater. I love this sweater so much. I wore this like yesterday and the day before because it's that comfortable. I'm sorry. I love it so much because it's so comfortable. Like the material, I thought it would be kind of itchy, but it's not. So surprise, surprise. That was the fall haul. If you stick around until now, just comment down below Tita Squad, because probably that's the thing that's gonna stick with me forever, because you guys know it. You guys have telling me that I should get a name. So either comment hashtag Tita Squad or probably just come up with some kind of like fan name. So yeah, you do what you gotta do. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all and thank you for all the support. And yeah, I love you all and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hope you stay safe, by the way, like you should, and happy. Happiness is fine.